Tamaranto.
Yeah, came from nothing and they quick to stamp the passport. V8 engine got 200 on the dashboard. Moving wicked, gotta watch out for the task force. Got it all, man, what more than I can ask for?
What up, y'all? Back with another video. Back out washing cars. It feel good today. The sun kind of out, but yeah. It's pretty dirty. She wanted me to do the inside and outside, so I'm about to get her together. So y'all stay tuned. See the finished look. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. So I got everything set up. Everything took out. I just cleaned everything out from the doors and everything. Just little stuff she want to keep. But yeah, I got everything in a box that I think she might want. I don't want to just throw nothing away. So yeah, we finna vacuum, wipe down, wash everything. So y'all, stay tuned. It's the process, man. Pretty much done with the inside. Looking pretty brand new. Yep. Time for the outside, wipe down the doors, everything. Only thing y'all can't forget when y'all washing cars is the inside door jams. Y'all see like everything is, but you can wipe that down after you wipe the car, so you could just use the towel, you know. Yeah, cup holders, everything. Got some stuck in there, but other than that, everything done. Yeah, gotta put the floor mats back in. Clean thing good. So yep. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. I'm back. Oh, finally done. Finna trying to see what smell, what air freshener use. But yeah, you can see yourself. If you can't see yourself, it ain't clean. Inside all done. Let's spray a little air freshener. Not too much, cause it be strong sometimes. But yeah, put this over. But yeah, all done, clean inside and out. Showroom floor ready. I told y'all about the door jams and I didn't even get them yet. But yeah. Oh yeah, man. Y'all can't tell me I don't do my thing. But yeah. Let me do them door jams real fast, because I can't tell y'all something and don't do it myself. So I'll be right back. Matter of fact, I'm not even finna do it. Y'all can watch me do this. Gotta get every corner. Everything. Can't say your showroom floor ready and you ain't cleaned it right. You gotta get everything all up in there. Now that make it look way better. If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. Even this all over here. Look, it's all about details, man. You gonna see, look at this. This make a big difference, bro. All that dirt, it's just simple. When people see you know about detail, they either tip more. Well, they say how good you did. Look at all this. You gotta do it right, man. Yeah, get all in there. Everything. Everything. Listen, don't forget about this. Everything, man. Looks like a brand new truck. Yes, sir. But alright, y'all. I'm finna call my auntie back at her. She can check it out. I'm gonna load up. I think I got somebody else car to do, but I'm gonna try to get over there before it get dark because the sun going down. So yeah, y'all stay tuned.
Yeah, came from nothing and they